guys, today we are going to start the third exercise of chapter number 2, polynomials. So the third exercise is 2.3. So first question of this 2.3 exercise is question 1, and question 1 is determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 as a factor. So the first part is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So in the first step we will write 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. So p of x equals to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, which is equal to p of minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Now we will write 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So now we will write hence x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. So this was the first part. The second part of first question of exercise 2.3 is x raised to power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So in the first step we will write 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. Now p of x equals to x raised to power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now p of minus 1 equals to minus 1 raised to power 4 plus minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3 minus 2, and which is equal to 1. So we will write hence x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial polynomial. So now the third part of first question is x raised to power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. So in the first step we will write 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. P of x equals to x raised to power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. P of minus 1 equals to minus 1 raised to power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 1. So now at last we will write hence x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. So this was the third part. So now we are going to do the last and fourth part of first question is. So the fourth part is x cube minus x square minus bracket 2 plus under root 2 bracket close into x plus under root 2. So in the first step we will write x cube minus x square minus 2 plus 2x plus 2x minus under root 2x plus under root 2. Now we will write 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. Now p of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus 2x minus under root 2x plus under root 2. Now p of minus 1 equals to minus 1 cube minus 1 square 2 into minus 1 minus under root 2 into minus 1 plus under root 2. Now we will write minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2. Now 2 minus 2 plus 2 under root 2. 2 will be cut with the 2 and we will only left with 2 under root 2. So at the last we will write hence x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. So by the end of this part, our first question of third exercise is also end. Now we are going to start the second question of third exercise. So the second question is, use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. So the first part of second question is, p of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, where g of x is given x plus 1. So in the first step we will write p of minus 1 equals to 2 into minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1 now is equal to 2. Here we will write minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now we are going to write hence g of x is a factor of p of x. Now we are going to start the second part of second question of exercise 2.3. So the second part is p of x equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, where g of x is given x plus 2. So in the first step we will write p of minus 2 equals to minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Now we will write minus 8 plus 12 plus 6 plus 1. Now we will write minus 8 plus 6, 12 plus 6 plus 1. Now we will write 13 minus 14, which is minus 1. Now at the last we will write g of x is not a factor of p of x. Now we are going to start the third question. So the third question of third exercise is, find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. So the first part is p of x equals to x square plus x plus k. Now we will write as x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Hence p of 1 equals to 0 by factor theorem. Now we will write p of 1 equals to 1 square plus 1 plus k. Now p of 1 equals to 1 plus 1k plus k, which is equal to 2 plus k equals to 0. So k equals to minus 2. So this is the answer, k is equal to minus 2. So now we are going to start the fourth question of third exercise. So the fourth question is factorize, and the first part is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So in the first we will write a is equal to 2, b is equal to 7 and c equals to 3. Now we will write p of x equals to 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Now we will write 2x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 3. Now 2x into bracket x plus 3, 1 bracket x plus 3. Now the final answer is 2x plus 1 and x plus 3. So x equals to minus 1 upon 2 and minus 3. So this was the first part. So now we are going to start the last and fifth question of exercise 2.3, and the fifth question is factorize. So the first part is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So in the first we will write let p of x equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now factors of 2 are plus minus 1 comma plus minus 2. Now put x equals to 1. Now we will write p of 1 equals to 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. It will be 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Here 1 will be cut with the 1 and 2 will cut with the 2. So it will be 0. Now we will write hence x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Now we will write divide p of x by x minus 1. Now we will divide. Here we will write the p of x, which is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, x minus 1. Here we will write x cube minus 1x square, and here sign will change, and here also they will cut, and here we will left with x square minus x plus 2, and the quotient will x square. Now we will write the quotient minus x, and here we'll write minus x square plus x, and here the signs will change. Here it will plus and here it will minus. Here x square will be cut with the x square, and we will left with minus 2x plus 2, and now here we will write 2. Now here we will write minus 2x plus 2. Here sign will change, here it will be plus and here will be minus. Now here minus 2x will be cut with 2x and plus 2 will be cut with minus 2 and we will left with 0. So now we will apply the formula, which is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the main formula. You can also write it in a box. Now write p of x equals to x minus 1 x square minus x minus 2 plus 0, which is equal to x minus 1 bracket x square minus 2x plus x minus 2, which is equal to x minus 1 x bracket x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2 bracket close. Now the at last we will write p of x is equal to x minus 1 x minus 2 x plus 1. This is the answer of last part.